Hi there, students. An aliquot. An aliquot. This is a great word. Okay, an aliquot just talks about a portion of something. So, I took an aliquot of the stock I had made and gave it to my friend to taste. Okay, so a portion of something. Now, I think this word an aliquot, you'll probably most commonly find it in chemistry. And as a chemist, I actually know, I've heard this word used various times. Let's see, if you take a sample of something because you want to find out what's in it, then you take an aliquot. An aliquot is a portion, but you know what proportion of a solution or a liquid. So maybe I've got a litre and I take an aliquot of 1 milliliter. I know this is a thousandth. I then analyze this and I know how much I've got in total. That is an aliquot. Yeah. So it's a part of something. I've been looking at various dictionaries with this word, and many of them use the phrase aliquot part. I wouldn't use the word part because an aliquot by definition is a part. I took 3 aliquots of the medicine and sent them to different laboratories for testing. Okay, so aliquot. You can also use this word, an aliquot, in law. Yeah, an aliquot is a fractional part. Yeah, where you divide something up into parts. For example, when somebody dies, maybe they have 2 sons or 2 children. Yeah, and the aliquot says how much or what percentage goes to each of their inheritors. So the 2 sons will both receive aliquots of 4/10, and the other 2/10 will be given to charity. Okay, so yeah, an aliquot of 4/10 for each of the sons and an aliquot of 2/10 for charity, a fractional share of the property. Yeah, it's a way to split things up. It's to say how much each person gets. And this is the idea of an aliquot, is a fractional share. Yeah, very often when dividing up a dead person's estate or dividing up a dead person's assets. Okay, so it's a specific fraction of something. Let's see. In mathematics, an aliquot, it talks about a divisor, a factor. So, for example, 3 is an aliquot of 24. 24 can be divided by 3 8 times. Okay, so an aliquot is a number that you divide by that gives it doesn't have a remainder. Yeah, so 2 is an aliquot of 4. Yeah, it just divides. It divides without any remainder, and that's the idea. But an aliquot, a portion of something. Yeah, a bit of it, a fraction of it. Yeah, so an aliquot of somebody's estate, an aliquot of the chemical product, an aliquot of the liquid. And I know that most of the dictionaries are using this phrase, an aliquot part, but just an aliquot, it's a part as far as I'm concerned. Okay, formality. This is a formal word. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 to 7 in formality. Used in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, it comes directly from Latin, a determiner, aliquot, some, a several, a few. Yeah, okay, so it's a determiner. It means various. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Aliquot.